Using the background information in the What is a PSM video, we now show how to use the PSM to find the center of a ball. When the PSM is focused on a surface, we get a cat's eye reflection. The reflected spot is used to set the electronic crosshairs to the fiber point source. At the cat's eye focus, the point source is imaged at the objective focus. This spot is conjugate with the spot image on the camera. Therefore, it is also conjugate with the fiber point source. This is why the cat's eye focus is the reference for the electronic crosshairs. When the microscope focus is moved to the center of the ball, we have a confocal focus. Light strikes the ball's surface at near normal incidence and reflects back to the camera. If the ball center is not precisely at the objective focus, the spot will not lie on the crosshairs. Also will not be a minimum size because it is not in perfect focus. Once the ball is perfectly aligned to the objective focus in 3 degrees of freedom, the light will return from the ball in good focus and centered on the crosshairs that had been previously aligned using the cat's eye reflection. Now we will see this alignment demonstrated with the PSM hardware. With the laser set for the bright mode, the PSM is focused on the surface of a steel ball mounted on an XYZ stage. The spot size is minimized by adjusting the Z direction to get a focused cat's eye reflection. The laser is dimmed to avoid saturation while we continue to hunt for best focus with an unsaturated image. The LED source is turned on to view the ball surface. The surface is parfocal, or in the same plane with the spot. As the ball is moved laterally, the cat's eye reflection remains stationary. The electronic crosshairs are now centered on the cat's eye reflection by clicking on the Set Reference Point button. This centers the crosshairs on the optical axis of the PSM. The ball is moved toward the objective to get the center of the ball to the objective focus. The display is completely dark until the PSM is very close to the ball's center. Again, the confocal spot reflection is minimized to indicate best focus. The ball is moved in X and Y until the reflection of the ball's center is centered in the crosshairs. Then the ball's center is in focus and on the optical axis of the PSM. Any misalignment of the spot is continuously monitored in micrometers on the display. This completes the demonstration of centering the PSM on an alignment ball center. Now you can proceed to viewing the measuring a radius of curvature video.